Wow, mashallah.
Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me, Tanisha, and today, as you can see here, we have a bunch of ingredients. And the reason we have these ingredients is because today I am going to be making egg pudding. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of ingredients right here. We got the caramel drizzle on the pan, we got the eggs and all the ingredients, and now we're going to be making all of it and putting them in a bowl. So first we're going to crack all the eggs, which is pretty simple to crack all the eggs, but except if the eggs are frozen, they're very cold. So now the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to be mixing them up. As you see, there is 5 eggs, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 5. Oh no, there's 6 or 5. I don't know. But we're going to be mixing it up with our mixer. So we have to mix it up until it is ready, and then we'll go to the next part. Okay, looks like it's just about ready, as you can see. Now the next ingredient we're going to add is milk. This is, I think, a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm not too sure, but you can look up the recipe on Google, which is very simple to do. So after we do that, now we're going to mix the egg and milk together. And after we do that, we will add our next ingredients. As you see, we're doing like the wet ingredients first. So that is done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding our next ingredient, which is the condensed milk. Now this one is very difficult to mix up, but you can use the hand mixer so that it makes life easier. And we're going to use a spoon to get all of it out. Now we're going to be mixing it up so that we can put it inside of the mold. So I'm scooping all of it out right now, and then we're going to mix it up and put it in. So as you see, I'm mixing it up right now so that we can eat it. As you can see, it's getting very foamy. And now we're going to be like draining all of the bubbles out because we don't want too much bubbles. So like the air bubbles really. So we're going to drain it out, and we will, like, after we get all of it drained out, on top of the caramel drizzled pan, we're gonna do it. So my mom is going to help me with this part because this is very tiring. So we're gonna speed this up a bit. As you can see here, I'm almost practically done, just a little bit more. And see, that's all the bubbles that we are not going to be using in the mixture. So just about now we should be done, which is great. Now what we're gonna do is we put it inside this boiling like pan thing, and my mom is going to put it inside boiling water on the stove to cook, and we're gonna use this plate to cover it up so it doesn't like splash everywhere, and it can actually cook and none of the steam and anything is getting out. So my mom is gonna help me put it in the boiling water over here. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes while we were making this, so it is ready to be cooked, and we're gonna cook it for around 20 minutes. So my mom is gonna help me with this part. Put the stove on extra low so that it doesn't burn. And now she just put it in, and the plate is there, and it's secured now. And now she's going to put the lid on and turn the stove up to high.
It will take 20 minutes.
And with 20 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. So it has been 20 minutes, as you can see. We started this around 3, and now it is at 3:30. So as you can see, the lighting was a bit different because of the sun. So now, as you see, it looks about ready. So we're going to check right now. And got this stick. Let's take this lid off.
Be careful. You can take the plate out. Oh, looks good.
Ooh, nice.
It's ready.
Yeah, it's ready. Alright, so now my mom is going to take it out, and she's going to flip it in this plate right here. And I cannot do that because I'm very scared. So my mom will do that. And after she flips it over, that is it. Alright, so my mom has just brought it out right here. And now she's going to dump it in this bowl right here. It is very hot, so everyone doing this, please use mittens. Before you do this, you have to cut the sides so that it doesn't stick to the pan, and then it creates a disaster. Mom, do you know that from personal experience?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you have to do this one.
So first you have to do that.
See?
Right there. And then and you take it off the edge wherever your kitchen is. And boom, boom, boom. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out. I'm so scared. What if I drop it?
Okay. Wow.
Whoa!
Wow, mashallah, mashallah.
Whoa, that's so cool. Where do I put this? I'll just
Put it on the
drop it
sink.
in there.
Okay.
And look at
Wow.
this beauty. It's so jiggly, look at jelly.
I can't believe you made it so nice.
Yay!
Ooh.
So, this egg pudding is done. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge to chill because it tastes very good when